I'm Linda. Today I'd like to introduce you to a automatic pipe cutting machine. This is the machine we're cutting rubber hose on. Then we have a machine that can process hoses with diameters from 5 to 30 millimeters, like a rubber hose, silicone hose bellows, PVC pipe, plastic pipe. It's all cuttable. Well, this machine, you can see that the incision is very flat. Also, its cutting length accuracy is very high. The operation is very simple. Our machine is operated with a craftsman's knife, so it ensures that your incision is very flat. And this length accuracy you see is also very accurate. I'm going to show you now. It's very easy to operate. We are cutting 100 millimeters lengths now. Look at the lengths. The error is small. They're all the same lengths. So our machine is also very easy to operate. Then we have customers who have this kind of large pipe. We also have a matching tube feeder. You can go shopping